Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loops. Now if you are a new visitor or if you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and in order to get updates of my new videos, then please hit the bell icon. My today's video is based on tutorial for making Rakhis, or a tutorial for making mini doilies, or you can also make a larger one using a bigger sized yarn. So the video is as follows. You can also find a written pattern for this video at the end. Now firstly, we will take the yellow colored yarn and make a magic circle followed by a chain. You can use any colored yarn. I've just used a yellow one. After the chain 1, we are going to do 12 single crochets into the magic circle. After you have done 12 single crochets, we are going to complete this round with a slip stitch with the first single crochet of this round, followed by a chain 1, and then cut the yarn. After the first round, we will begin the second round with a color change. I have used a green colored yarn and did a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. Then I have inserted the hook into any of the single crochet stitch, did a slip stitch there, and followed by chain 3. In the same single crochet stitch, we are going to do a double crochet there. So in this way, in the entire round, we are going to have 2 double crochets each in each of the single crochets. So there are a total of 24 double crochets in this round. Now at the end, do a slip stitch with the third chain of the first chain 3 of this round, and do a chain 1 and then cut the yarn. Now we will begin the third round with the pink colored yarn. Then we will insert the hook into the space between the 2 double crochets of the previous round. Okay, in this way, and then we will do a slip stitch there, followed by chain 3, which represent the first double crochet of this round. In the same space, we will do a double crochet there, followed by a chain 1. Then again, in between the space of 2 double crochet of the previous round, we will do 2 double crochet followed by chain 1. We will continue doing this throughout the round till we come to the end. At the end, just as before, we will complete this round with a slip stitch with the third chain of the first chain 3 of this round. Do a chain 1 and then cut the yarn. We will begin the fourth round with the blue colored yarn. In this round, we are going to do the single crochets in the stitches, not between the stitches. So, do the slip stitch in any of the first double crochet of the 2 double crochet group and do a slip stitch there, followed by chain 1 to secure the stitch, and do a single crochet there, followed by a single crochet in the next stitch. Now we will do the spike single crochet. We will insert the hook in the space between the 2 adjacent double crochet of different stitches of the second round as shown, and do a single crochet there, so a spike is formed. So the order is like this: 2 single crochet in 2 stitches followed by a spike single crochet. So this will continue throughout the round. When we reach the end, we will complete this round with a slip stitch with the first single crochet of this round and then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we will begin the 5th row with the red colored yarn. We will insert the hook into any of the stitches and do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 1 to secure the stitch. Then in the same stitch we will do a single crochet followed by a single crochet in the next stitch. Then we will do a picot. So for this we will do chain 2 and then slip stitch into the single crochet, that is slip stitch into the same single crochet. Then again in the next stitch we will do single crochet followed by a single crochet again in the adjacent stitch, followed by a picot. We will continue doing this throughout the round. When we come to the end of this round, there will be only one single crochet stitch empty where we will do a single crochet. Okay, then in the adjacent single crochet, which was the first single crochet of this round, we will do a slip stitch followed by chain 2 and a picot, that is slip stitch in that same single crochet, followed by a chain 1 and then cut the yarn. So in this way this round is completed. Now we will make the string of the Rakhi. I have used a yellow colored yarn for this. Then after making the slip knot and inserting the hook in it, we will insert the hook into any of the stitch of the last round and do a slip stitch there. Now we will make the string by doing chains. Now the number of chain will depend on the length you want the string to be. Similarly, we will make another string just opposite to the first string. So the length will be same. Finally, we will decorate the Rakhi by adding motifs or beads to it as you wish, and then complete it. So our Rakhi is ready. This is also a mini doily. You can make a bigger sized doily by using thicker yarn. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share these videos, and for any queries or doubt you can comment in the comment section. And I have also provided written pattern at the end. Go through this. Thank you.